Hello, music class. Welcome back to Miss E's Music Room as we talk about shakers. Now, some of you might say, Miss E, that is a maraca. And if you knew it, give yourself a little pat on the back. A maraca, that's right. But shakers can come in all different shapes and sizes, and they usually get played in pairs, which means that I might have two of them. But I thought, as we're at home and we're learning with Miss E, we may not have a maraca. But you know what we might have are these. Now, did some of you get some of these little eggs over our spring break holiday? But right now, my little eggs are empty. So there's just not a whole lot that can be found that will come out of them if I shake them. But you know what I thought? I thought, what if I were to upcycle my eggs and if I turn them into shaky eggs? So now you might be asking, Miss E, how can I make my own shaky egg? Well, I'm going to tell you. First of all, I want for you to see if you can get a family member that can help you make your shaky egg. Because as much as you want to be independent and do it yourself, you might need help or permission to be able to make these shaky eggs. So be sure to ask for help from whoever is home with you. Now, I have here an empty shaky egg, and this one is going to work perfectly. So I want to be able to add something to it that's going to give it that cool shaky sound. So I went into my pantry and I found, can you see what that is? If you said rice, you're right. This is white rice. You might have brown rice or long grain rice or any kind of grain that might work. And ooh, hey, that makes a pretty cool sound too, doesn't it? So a little bit of that white rice. And then I also have, can you see what that is? Popcorn. Now this says yellow popcorn, but maybe you have white popcorn, but my popcorn is very loose. And I want it to be nice and loose. Whoa, that sounds like a shaker too, doesn't it? Very cool. And then I'm gonna take it, open it up, put my rice or my popcorn in, and then I'll seal it up. And then what you'll wanna do is maybe take a piece of tape and tape over it. Or if you have a family member at home with a glue gun, they can help you too. And that way it'll never open up and spill and make a terrible mess. So let's see some of the ones that Miss E has made. I made one with corn. I made one with, oh, where's the one with rice? With white rice. And here's a fancy one I made with beads. Now these have been all sealed up with glue, so I can't open them up for you to see. Let's see what it looks like if I were to open it up. Now I gotta be very careful or I'll end up spilling. Let's see. So inside there is the white rice. See how that sounds. I'm gonna pinch it really tight since this one's not glued down, make sure I don't make a mess. Whoa, that's cool. This one, let's see what's inside here. Yellow corn. All right, let's listen to that one. Pretty cool. Pinch it real tight so it doesn't spill. Wow, that one's louder. And this one is, oh, this one's so pretty. This has beads. See how that one sounds. Oh, they all sound a little different. Well, isn't that cool? I'm going to have to decide on to use one that I want to use for my shaky egg song today. So I'm going to choose one of my favorites. Now, I picked my favorite shaky egg. I'm picking the pink one with the popcorn inside, but maybe you haven't been able to make a shaky egg and you have something else you could use. Like, what about that cool jar I had? That could work. Or even the big jar of popcorn. That was a loud one. But I chose my favorite shaky egg. Now, there are 3 different ways that you'll be able to play my game with me today once you have your shaker. We're going to have shaking any old way you want with no steady beat. The second way is with a steady beat. So if I find my beat, bump, 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 like my heartbeat, bump, 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 and a bump, 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 and I put the beat in my egg, bump, bump, bump. Or I might go like this, bump, 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 bump. That's another great way to make that steady beat. And the third way is where we do egg rhythms. I will give an egg rhythm, and I want you to shake it back to me. Ta, 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 ta. And then you'll say, ta, 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 ta. Or I might say, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And you'll say, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. How about if I said, ti, 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 ta? You'd say, ti, 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 ta. So when we play our game, get ready for all the fun ways to shake. Okay, music class, did you find your egg shaker? Let's do a quick review. On the A section of our song, we are going to find the steady beat with our shaker. Boom, 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 boom. On the B section, we are going to do shaking rhythms. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And you'll say back, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And then, if you see me going like this, use your shaker with no steady beat in any fun way you want. Let's go.
Shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shake a little, shaky, shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shake a little, shaky, shaky egg.
Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta.
Shaky, shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shake a little, shaky, shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shaky, shaky egg, shake a little, shaky, shaky egg.
Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta.